Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Bottlegourd. Well, this vegetable has to take extreme emotions of people. This is either hated or it is loved. Now in today's video I am sharing a very interesting recipe using bottlegourd and it is called Loki ka Bhartha. Now if you belong to that group who cannot stand this vegetable, then I request you to please try this recipe of mine and I bet you will get addicted. So let's go into the kitchen and check out this recipe. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen on YouTube and do give me a thumbs up on my Facebook page by the same name, Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. I'll see you very soon. But till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.